In the middle of a very choppy altcoin market, we are currently witnessing one altcoin actually gaining some traction. And just a few weeks ago, guys, we actually saw a new narrative emerge and everybody was talking about it. Yes, guys, I'm talking about internet capital markets and LAUNCHCOIN. Now, guys, right now, I believe that this is a very big opportunity from the LAUNCHCOIN meta, or you can say Believe app coins. And this is exactly what we are going to be discussing right now because LAUNCHCOIN is actually getting started. And with the recent surge in the price of LAUNCHCOIN, I believe that this could be the right time to actually position yourself into the right place from the Believe app. So if this is something that brings you value, because it is going to be alpha packed, guys, I'm telling you, then guys, make sure that you drop a like and also hit the subscribe button. And now, guys, let's get right into it. So guys, welcome back and thanks for joining in yet again. So just 7 hours ago, I actually did this tweet on X, and if you have not yet followed me on X, guys, it is high time that you do so because I am dropping hints of the alpha every now and then. And if you are not following me on X and you don't have my post notifications on, then guys, you are missing out on some serious alpha, I'm telling you. All right. So make sure that you click the link in the description section below to join me on X. Coming back to this, I actually posted about GOAT. Now, do you remember about GOAT? Yes, I'm talking about 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗘. This is the exact play that we were able to catch at just $2.85 million market cap inside the diligence channel back in October, right around here. And then it went on to do $1.3 billion in market cap. And we were also able to sell exactly at the highs. I will attach the proof on the screen right here so you can actually check for yourself that we were really very early on that meta. Right now, talking about what actually happened with 𝗕𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗘 or the GOAT token. So right here you can see we actually saw a big move towards the upside in the beginning, and price actually topped out around $500 million market cap. Then there was a significant amount of FUD regarding the GOAT token or 𝗕𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗘, and price actually retraced all the way down to around $200 million market cap, which was a 70–73% retrace from these highs right around here. And then guys, this is where the party actually got started because people who actually bought right around here, which we actually did as well, then guys, they were able to actually catch the next big move, which was another 9x from these lows all the way to $1.3 billion. And most of the people, most of the YouTubers who actually called GOAT, they were calling right around here in this region, not here, all right, which is exactly where we called in the diligence channel. But this is not what I'm talking about, guys. What I really want to show you is this chart right around here. This is the chart of LAUNCHCOIN. From the time when I actually posted this on X, I said that whale activity suggests that a massive rebound is coming on LAUNCHCOIN soon. This correction is indeed giving me GOAT vibes. All right. And at that time, the price was at $120 million market cap. Right now, this is what we have on the chart for LAUNCHCOIN. We are currently sitting at $157 million market cap. From my tweet, we are already up around 40%, and it happened in just 7 hours. All right. Now, what can we expect going forward? I think, guys, LAUNCHCOIN started a very different meta, and that was internet capital markets, which was basically the only narrative which really and directly brought Web 2 and Web 3 products together. Right. And guys, evidently so, it actually got a real good traction as well in the beginning, right? But then things actually started to dry out, which is always the case. But people who actually buy in this region at the lows and who are able to actually catch the lows, they are the ones who actually reap the rewards. All right. So we have already seen exactly 71% drawdown on the price of LAUNCHCOIN from its highs of around $356 million market cap back on around 15th of May. And right now, guys, price has started to show strength, which you can see right around here. Earlier on, we were making lower highs consistently and lower lows. All right. This is the first time, guys, that we have created a higher high compared to this one right here, and now another higher high and consistently higher lows as well. This is a change in structure. This is a change of character of the particular price action that we're talking about, which means that we are now starting some sort of a new uptrend, and this would lead the price to the upside. All right. And apart from just being focused on the main coin, which is LAUNCHCOIN, I really think that the opportunity, the real opportunity lies on the Believe app ecosystem plays. All right. So this video is going to be all about that. But before that, let's just discuss about LAUNCHCOIN's price action as well. So right now we are facing some resistance on this downtrend trend line. As you can see right around here, we have already gotten rejected 3 times from this trend line. And right now we are getting rejected here again. So potentially we might come back down right around here to around $140 million market cap. Then guys, in the next move up, I am expecting some sort of a breakout very soon. all right? Because this is your fourth touch, and usually guys, we have always seen that the fourth attempt usually ends up being a breakout. All right, now let's see how that plays out. If price actually goes down lower, then guys, do not trust me, I'm telling you, because I am already long on LAUNCHCOIN from right around here. And then I had to basically hold this trade, this long trade, all the way down to a $114 million market cap. But I had my conviction, so now I am sitting in profits. And this is what it is all about. We are not always right. All right, so I was wrong going long at $150 million market cap, but I was right to actually hold and stay in my position at $112 million market cap as well. All right, so I am not always right, guys. This is one thing that I really want to make clear. All right, I was able to catch 300x move on GOAT, and I was able to catch multiple different plays as well, 100x plus on Griffin as well as 𝗖𝗢𝗠𝗘𝗧𝗦 inside the diligence channel. These calls were actually shared inside the diligence channel, and everybody was able to reap the rewards as well. All right. But this is not guaranteed, guys. All right, so you have to understand the risk as well. That is why I always say, guys, that this is not financial advice. You have to understand that you're putting in real money at risk. You might win, you might lose. So this is the first point that I really want to make clear, because now we are going to be getting into the lower market cap plays, which might give you the moonshot and might also wreck your wallets. So this is something that you should understand before you invest into anything that I'm going to be talking about. So first off, guys, we have this website. It's called Believe Screener. And right here, you can basically see all of the coins that are launched on the Believe app, which is the LAUNCHCOIN app, right? Now, already we have seen $3.5 billion in lifetime volume, 28,000 coin launches. It is similar to Pump Fund, but you really need to have some sort of a product. All right. Then total market cap right now of all the coins is $283 million. Out of which $158 million market cap is of LAUNCHCOIN itself, and then $124 million market cap is the creator coins market cap. All right. Then we have 24-hour volume, which is also really good. As you can see, $37 million volume on LAUNCHCOIN in the last 24 hours and $27 million in volume for creator coins. So there is still a lot of traction on these plays. Now, if you scroll down, you can basically see all of these plays right around here in front of you. LAUNCHCOIN definitely at the #1 place. Then we have 𝗕𝗘𝗪, which I really like. Then we have Dupe. Then we have Buddy. We have KingNet AI. We have Yapper. We have Glimpse. We have Startup, and we have other plays as well. So I'm not going to be diving deeper into each and every play right around here, but I have made a complete list of the plays that I really like from the LAUNCHCOIN meta, and I've already shared it in the diligence channel. If you're interested to get that list as well, which is basically diversified in the higher risk to lower risk category as well, then definitely, guys, make sure that you click the first link in the description section below and check out the diligence channel, because that is where, guys, I am sharing my on-chain plays, meme coins, as well as low market cap plays, which might do really well in the future. All right, so the link is given in the description section below. Now let's get right into the plays from the LAUNCHCOIN meta. So guys, the first play that I want to talk about is definitely going to be 𝗕𝗘𝗪. Now what it does is that basically AI companies are spending billions of dollars on data, video, text, sound, etc., right, to train their models. And if you have been following me for quite some time now, even on the previous channel as well, then you know, guys, that I am very, 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 very bullish on one single narrative, and that is AI model training, right? Data training, because that is the future, guys. Data is gold. All right. If you don't understand the power of data right now, even in this type of economy where we are basically living with AI, then guys, you might just miss out on the entirely new revolution that we're getting in the tech space. All right. I believe that data-based products are definitely going to be one of the best and most lucrative plays all around crypto. And this one fits exactly where I want it to fit. 𝗕𝗘𝗪 is the middleman. They partner with top film studios and production houses, label their video content, and sell it to AI companies like OpenAI to help train models like ChatGPT, Sora, Midjourney, and more. This is a gold mine, guys. All right. But right now, price is really, really high. It's not a good entry. Even from a technical perspective, I don't think that this is a really good entry. So I don't want to be telling you that, you should be buying right here, even though $22 million market cap sounds really small compared to where I see it in the future. Still, guys, you might just get a better entry. All right, so let's just discuss those entry points. So from the highs, let's just drop a Fibonacci retracement tool to the recent lows that we got right around here. So my first and most crucial level of interest is going to be right around here. Let me just drop a line. This goes right here at $16.17 million market cap. Below that, I will get more interested right around here at $11.4 million market cap. And then the last level of interest is going to be right around here, which is basically a support resistance flip level, which is this level right here, resistance, and right here, this level acted as support. All right, this is sitting at $9.3 million. Now guys, it is also possible that we basically get supported in this region at the 382 Fibonacci level, sitting at $20.5 million market cap, go higher, and then eventually later on we see the retrace towards the downside. So you have to basically analyze this chart on the basis of the fact that we should be looking out for a potential top. And for that guys, I will give you one more very important factor, because guys, my goal with this channel is to educate you and to give you the alpha so that you can fish yourself as well. It's not just giving you the fish, it's also to teach you how to fish. So for that guys, to find the top, what we need to do is we need to focus on volume. All right, so right now you can see right around here we have this volume candle and this volume candle. So volume is basically consistent as of now. What I want to see, for me to basically say that this should be the top, is that I would want to see price creating higher highs and volume creating lower highs. That would be a very nice divergence for me. After that, I can basically expect a 60 to around 70% retrace, and that would be my entry point on 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗘. All right, if you want the exact level where I will be personally buying, along with the DCA levels, along with the TP levels where I will be basically selling it, then guys, diligence is the place to be. You can basically get all that information where I personally buy and sell, and the link is given in the description section below, as you already know. Now moving on to the next play guys, we have 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗘. Now guys, 𝗕𝗘𝗪 is one of the first movers from this particular narrative, from the ICM narrative. All right, so when LAUNCHCOIN pumped, 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗘 also pumped. You can see right around here, this was the major pump that we saw from around a $2.3 million market cap. It went all the way to around $79 million market cap, which was a clear 33.2x. All right, so that was a big move. But then price actually retraced all the way down. And of course, guys, we have some support, which is right around here. Let me just mark it off for you all. This is your support box in this region. So until unless we break this support, and this support is sitting between $7 million and $10 million market cap, I think this is still bullish. All right, but I'm really not a big fan of the tech, or you can say the utility that 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗘 provides, even though it is really good. But me personally, I can say that I am not really interested in this tech. All right, now it does not mean guys that this cannot move. All right, it's just my personal bias that I don't like the tech. All right, it is good, but I don't like it personally. All right, you have to understand what I'm trying to say here. So it can go higher, and if I just have to talk about the technical analysis, like let's just say that it's not 𝗕𝗘𝗪 and it's just another coin that I like the coin, not the price action. All right, this is something that you have to understand. There are a few coins where you like the price action, and there are a few coins where you like the coin itself. Right now, if this was another coin with the same price action right around here, I would be buying right around here, and I would be selling right around here at the 382, because this move is very much possible if we see a move towards the upside for LAUNCHCOIN itself. And this move is a very nice move. As you can see right around here, it's a very clean 4.6x from the current prices. So your resistance is $49 million market cap. If I just have to make a trade without looking at the coin, I would be going long right here, or I would be basically buying it in spot, and then I'll basically sell my entire bag right here at a 4.5x. All right, so this is what we are looking at if I am talking about 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗘 personally. All right, but there are a lot of people guys who would be really interested in 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗘 and the technology behind it. What it actually does is basically 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗘 is the internet's most goated shopping hack. Try it out, as seen by millions of shoppers on the Today Show. 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗘 gives shoppers more choices by scouring the internet for similar products within seconds. Feels like a treasure hunt. And exactly, it is good, but if they expand it, apart from the furniture category that they have, if they expand it to other categories as well, I think 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗘 could be really, really big, right? Definitely. But let's see how that goes as well. This is my technical perspective on this particular coin, but I'm not personally buying if you ask me. All right. Now guys, moving on to the next one, we have KNet. This is KingNet AI. And what it does is basically it's reconstructing game development with natural language. All right. So basically you can create a game without having any kind of knowledge about codes, and this is what it actually does. Interesting tech, of course, and the only reason for me to basically be in this particular play, which I am, is the fact that this has the most KOL mindshare, in my opinion, from the list of all of the coins that I'm going to be showing you in this particular video. So KNet AI, I think definitely can move, because there are a lot of KOL bags in this particular play. So I think they will be pushing it very much in the upcoming few days when, price starts to go back up. From a technical perspective, I see a big move up, and then this was a retrace towards the downside. We have hit our interesting zones of support, the 886 and the 786 Fibonacci level. We have bounced off from the 0.786 Fibonacci level, which is $5.45 million market cap, So of course guys, this can go higher in the near future. My first zone of interesting resistance is going to be $15.7 million market cap. It's a very simple strategy. I just drop down the Fibonacci retracement tool. I buy between 886 and the 786 Fibonacci level zone, and then I sell at 0.382. You don't even have to buy and hold for a longer period of time, because most of the time guys, you will see if the coin is good, if the team is good, and if there is traction on that particular play, price will always do the same thing. It will go up, it will retrace to the 886 or the 786 Fibonacci level in this region. Maybe it consolidates in this region for a little period of time, then come back up to 382 to say the least. And then if the project is good, it will come back down to the 0.618. Find support, go higher, create new highs. Once that happens, then you're basically in a very nice uptrend. All right. And if the project is not good, then this move towards the upside to the 382 is only an exit pump. All right. It's only to get exit liquidity, only to get people to buy in this region and then basically dump, going all the way back down to zero. This is the harsh truth of the plays that we are basically looking at on Solana, right? Anyway, guys, moving on to the next one. We have prompt bidder. And if you saw my previous video from yesterday, I talked about prompt bidder, and I'm really bullish on prompt. If you want to know my thesis about prompt, then definitely check out the previous video on the channel where I also discussed about Bitcoin's price action. So definitely give it a look. It's also alpha packed as always. So for this one, guys, I was mentioning yesterday the price was right around here. I mentioned about this entry zone right here at around $2.33 million market cap, your 786 Fibonacci level. We have a nice move towards the downside. We have a breakout on high volume as well. If I zoom in, you can see right around here, we have higher volume, and then price is basically retesting from a previous zone of support and also this trend line. And now I'm looking for price to go higher, potentially to $6.59 million as the first target. And I think that this can eventually go much higher than that as well. So let's see how that plays out. I'm basically positioned from around, I guess, $2.5 million market cap. So let's see how that goes as well. All right. Moving on to the next play, guys, it is going to be 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗓, and I have been pretty vocal about 𝗕𝗕𝗪𝗓. I have a bag of this, and I have been talking about 𝗕𝗕𝗪𝗓 like since eternity now. It feels like eternity. And I have been talking about this level of interest right here between 886 and the 786 Fibonacci level, sitting between $2.3 million and $4.3 million market cap. Price has been consolidating right here. Now we have seen a breakout, and right now we are also seeing a movement towards the upside, as you can see right around here. Let me just zoom in a bit so you can see for yourself. As you can see, we are seeing a movement towards the upside. So potentially my first zone of interest, or my first take profit target indeed, is sitting at $12.3 million market cap for 𝗕𝗕𝗪𝗓. I think this is the tech that I really like compared to 𝗕𝗘. If I have to choose between an OG play from the Believe app Meta, 𝗕𝗕𝗪𝗓 as well as 𝗕𝗘, both pumped around the same time in the initial hype of LAUNCHCOIN, I would choose 𝗕𝗕𝗪𝗓 over 𝗕𝗘. All right, so that is my personal take, but definitely it's possible that 𝗕𝗘 eventually outperforms 𝗕𝗕𝗪𝗓. So you have to pay attention to that and make your own choice after doing your own research. All right. And then guys, the last play that I can share in this video, because I have reserved the other few plays that I've already got in my 𝗖𝗢𝗠𝗠𝗘𝗥𝗦 notebook right around here, which you can see, the alpha book, right? So I have basically shared a complete list of all of my plays, the lower market cap as well, the riskier as well as with more potential of upside in the diligence channel. So I've already shared that list in the diligence channel. If you are willing to get that as well, then the diligence channel is the place to be. By now, it should be clear, guys, that if you're looking out for on-chain plays from my end, then definitely check out the first link in the description section below. Now, talking about 𝗖𝗢𝗠𝗠𝗘𝗥𝗦, this is Believe Capital. Now, what it does is basically this is strategic capital, proven playbooks, and exclusive community access for serious Believe founders. They say that their approach has helped identify and support multiple breakthrough projects, including recent portfolio companies with 100x plus growth. Hold 1 million or 10 million supply, that is 0.1% or 1%, to access our exclusive founder network, where we provide investment opportunities and strategic capital, proven launch playbooks and due diligence frameworks, direct access to successful founders and industry experts, Believe University educational modules and resources for committed builders only, no exceptions. Interesting, right? So basically, if I have to tell it to you in simple words, you can say that 𝗖𝗢𝗠𝗪𝗓 is similar to 𝗕𝗓r on virtuals. So what is 𝗕𝗓r for virtuals? 𝗖𝗢𝗠𝗪𝗓 is for the Believe app, or you can say LAUNCHCOIN. I think this definitely has a lot of traction behind it. We have seen a big move up right around here. So before that, it was basically dead, and then they basically announced what they are out to do. And from $198,000 market cap, this pumped all the way to $7.44 million. This was a clean 37x. But of course, you might have missed out on that move. Even I did. So no worries, guys, because we are always waiting for the proof of the move. We wait for price to go higher and then come back down, retrace, do something like this, form a structure, form a bullish reversal pattern, and then we are basically entering. All right. So if that is something that you also like to do, then definitely this is also one to keep an eye out on. You can see right around here, we are bouncing off from this trend line right around here. We haven't touched the 0.786, which is interesting. So maybe we might just come back down one more time, test $1.72 million market cap and then go higher. Or maybe this is it, guys. This is a bullish project and we go higher from this point onwards itself. Right now, I think it is a good entry point indeed, $3 million market cap, considering you can basically DCA if price goes lower as well. I think this can definitely go beyond like 20, 25 or even $30 million market cap in the shorter term, considering LAUNCHCOIN pumps along with it. All right. So the entire thesis about all of these plays from LAUNCHCOIN Meta or from Believe app is dependent on the fact that LAUNCHCOIN is going to go higher and break all-time highs, potentially create a very bullish pattern towards the upside and go all the way to like $1 billion market cap. If you want price targets for LAUNCHCOIN as well, let me just do that very quickly for you all as well. It's very simple, guys. If this is the low right around here, then you plot a Fibonacci extension tool and you toggle on the 1.236 and the 1.618. These are going to be crucial zones of resistance towards the upside. So $483 million market cap and $776 million market cap. These are going to be some crucial zones of resistance for LAUNCHCOIN. Beyond that, guys, of course, the 1 billion mark is a psychological level which you should be paying attention to as well. All right. If you enjoyed the alpha, guys, from this particular episode, then definitely check out my X profile. It's at 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗘 and make sure that you follow me over there because I am dropping alpha over and over again. So make sure that you check it out. There's also a big giveaway going on by PropW. So definitely check it out if you wish. It is pinned on my X profile. Make sure that you check it out. And also, guys, if you're interested to trade these on-chain plays with me, because yesterday I shared a play from the BNB chain, which was Andy on BNB, and it ended up doing a nice 5-6x, I guess, and that too within 24 hours. Because inside the diligence channel, guys, I am following multiple whale activities on multiple different chains. So if you're interested to get those alerts as well and those trades, then definitely check out the diligence channel and our other channels as well if you wish. All the details about our paid communities are going to be given in the first link in the description section below, so make sure that you check it out. Apart from that, guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, then make sure that you drop a like and also smash that subscribe button so that you can be notified whenever I put up another update. That's all, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, keep hustling.